Good morning, traders. I hope you all had a good weekend. Today it's Monday, 11th of July, and as promised on my Instagram stories, I was thinking to do a morning analysis just to look through at the market what I see. Now, I wanted to do it pre-London, but I am mum of four, and every time I have some specific plans, kids always have to come in and push their ways, but joys of being parents, right? For those who are parents will understand. So anyhow, let's dig into the GJ first and let's see what it offers and what do I see in here. Now what I like to do is I like to set low and high on a daily, and on daily I don't really look much for the zones, so whatever in here, these little rectangles you see, they are not daily. So for daily, I just look at the range, and for now GJ is huge, but GJ moves quite a lot anyways, so this is about 800 pip range we're talking about. Now then I move to 4 hours, and then in 4 hours what I like to do is I also like to put a low and a high. So I can take, this is the low here, and previous high would be in here, like that, and then it gives me my high and low for 4 hours. I change the color blue to the daily and then black for the 4 hours so I don't get confused. And then I sometimes drop to 1 hour, but very rarely really. Like this time, this order block in here was hourly one, but you could also see it in 15 minutes. So I just drop straight to the 15 minutes and let's see what's going on in here. Now I want to stay transparent and tell you that yesterday I took a trade. Actually, I'm not going to extend it, but I did took a trade, and it was sales. I took a half risk, and it was sales in here. And I set my stop above previous wick. And then I was targeting 1 to 3, and I was stopped out because there was an exit zone in here, and you can see it's coming from this order block in here, and that's why sometimes I take half risk and then risk with another one. So I am currently in another trade, and I took it in here after first bearish closure, and my stop was 555. So, and I was targeting 1 to 3. Here. So currently in the trade, but already at break even because it's London open, and as we know, London moves really fast. It can go either way, so we'll see what happens, but I will stay in this zone in here. So overall, when you look at the daily, you see that the GJ is bullish because the last 3 candles clearly bullish. However, last 2 just long wicks, and they're not really that clean beautiful candles as in here, right? So I am more bearish for this week, simply because if it does respect the previous high, so I'm thinking it could go above 165,300 and then we drop down. But obviously this is just predicting, and that's what not great about forex. So instead of predicting, we just need to react, and so for now I see reaction from here, so that's why I sold. And it was still good trading here. I posted it on Instagram, and some people were, no, why you're selling, this is that. And obviously we need to remember that some will see sells and some will see buys. Like forex is always 50-50. It's either buy or a sell. So there's no point to get in arguments or just going and trying to prove that you are right or that person is wrong. There's no need for that. Right, so then I also want to look at the GU. Oops. And as you see, GU on 15 minutes at least, it's very bearish. It used to be the way where GJ and GU were best buddies, but now it's just not that way anymore. So obviously because of the good dollar news, GU is bearish and so is EU, and I am definitely bearish for this week as well, and I think we'll definitely go. Obviously I can't say definitely because I don't know, but I'm just like what I'm seeing from here. I see that there's potential, more potential to go lower than to go higher, if that makes sense. Now the same thing I could do, put the daily high and low, then go to 4 hours. But I don't want to. I want to keep this video nice and short and more focus on GJ instead of the GU, because that's what I trade mostly. So yeah, it is definitely kind of making higher lows in here, but I'm still overall very much bearish. So we'll see what's happening. For the entry wise, I would probably enter, no, not easy. This one isn't easy. Something somewhere around in this zone. So it's quite high up. So we'll see. But mostly I'm focusing on GJ, and it just looks a little bit cleaner for more like entries. So the next thing, if this breaks, I can wait for the pullback back to this zone and sell again. Or if this breaks above, we can look then for the buys, because there's still place to go. Still enough good 100 pips to catch on the buys. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got something out of it. And I will try and do them more often, just to go through and just to look what I see, what I'm looking. But guys, like I say, I am super simple trader. I'm not looking for 1 minute charts. It's just too much noise in there. And oh, this looks terrible. I'm just looking more like for 15 minutes, because I cannot be sitting in front of my desktop all the time, because I have kids to take care of and to look after. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you maybe tomorrow. Bye.